Greetings everyone. I'm Shreya Muzumdar. My journey with Mission ShaktiSAT has been honestly unforgettable. Stepping into the role of an engineer, I worked across electronics and learned the integral calculus behind every component that goes into building a CubeSat. What I enjoyed most were the activities, because they challenged me to think beyond the obvious. Two activities that stood out for me were testing and improvising sensor code and designing a CubeSat mission from start to finish, using algorithm development in C++. Through this experience, I've built the mindset of an engineer. My dream as a global girl leader in science is to lead a sustainable rocket mission and work on reusable systems that reduce waste. I want innovation to move forward responsibly. My message to all the budding STEM enthusiasts is this. We live in the 21st century where our most valuable resource is the internet and knowledge on it. Never let opportunities like Mission ShaktiSAT pass you by. These are the moments that push us to our fullest potential and remind us how powerful we really are. Happy International Day of Women and Girls in Science, and this is only the beginning.